Today we're putting some finishing touches on our new bedroom with some automatic blinds. So the first step, once you've unpacked them and gotten them started charging, is to install the brackets into the window itself. And what we did was we built a template for the right and left side so that we don't have to measure every time. We can just get in there and mark. And then we'll drill some pilot holes, screw these in, and then the brackets clip in pretty easily. You want to leave your first screw a little bit loose as you're installing it, just to give yourself some wiggle room while you're installing the second one, and then tighten that down. Otherwise you probably have to go back and unscrew it to get the first one in right. Having two drills is definitely not necessary, but not having to swap bits is a big help. So imagine this is hanging, so you just tip this in, put it into the front here, and then this is on a spring, and it just clips on. You just squeeze it, remove it, and then they're nice and tight. Yeah, you just come up here, slide it in, tip it a little bit to get it in the front bracket. And you just kind of, come on. Go.
That one clicked on.
And that feels about right. And then they have to be charged. Fortunately, they come with very long charging cables. They're about 5 feet long. So they're just regular USB-C. They don't come with the actual power plug, so you got to provide your own plugs, but that's okay. Fortunately, we have an excessive number of them lying around our house. We'll pop this up here, and then the plug comes in right up here. And so those are charging. So that's installed. We'll let that charge for a while, and then we'll pair it with the other ones. So on to the next. To activate the motor from sleep mode, ensure that it's properly installed. Done. To awaken the motor, press and hold the programming button until the motor makes a jog.
Okay.
Do you have to go around the whole neighborhood or just...
There we go.
Yeah,
That one
a jog.
That looked alive.
Okay.
Yeah, I know. You can give it to me now.
This is a lot.
That's okay.
Look, annoying technology is not my forte. Press up and stop for 5 seconds.
Look, can I do this part, please?
That's definitely going in the video.
So first thing we're gonna do to pair this with the remote is we're going to wake it up from sleep mode. So that's a 2-second hold. So I'm just gonna go, and I've got that jog that just happened. So that lets me know that it's now awake. Now that it's in awake mode, I'm actually gonna come in and I'm gonna pair it. And so to pair it, I do the same thing where I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna make sure the remote's awake by pressing any button. And I see that I've got it on channel 1, which is where I wanna put this. I'm gonna hold this again for 2 seconds. And then I'm gonna press this minus button to add it. Actually, I'm gonna press that for 2 seconds. Okay, and because that gave me a double tap or a double up and down, it knows it's now paired for channel 1. So I'm gonna actually test channel 1 and hopefully, with any luck, I'm hoping both will go up and down now that I paired them both to channel 1. So let's find out. There we go, working exactly as I wanted. So if for some reason we wanted either of these to open independently, we can set different channels, but right now I'm just gonna get everything on channel 1 because we actually just want it to be on the same channel for the most part, so.